Hello everybody, my name is Niliam and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today's video is going to be a little bit different because it actually is an extract from a live session that I actually hosted recently on my Facebook group. I wanted to show you guys this piece because it came out so amazing and I think that all of you guys will enjoy it. That being said, all the materials that I used are going to be listed in the description box below. As you guys know, I am a really big fan of Liquitex, and so in this case I use all Liquitex products except for the gold, which is actually from FX. And of course I use my regular mixture of Floetrol and water to make sure that I get the right consistency. With all that being said, let's get right into the video. So as far as the colors that I'm using, the base color was actually a mixture of deep violet, titanium white, and Payne's gray. And so I was trying to go for a subtle yet colored background because a lot of the times I go with white and then it kind of makes the piece way too bright or just clashes with people's walls, and so I wanted to give that a different tone, if you will. And then the other colors that I am using are going to be Payne's gray for the darkest color, a mixture of Prussian blue and ultramarine blue, and then I also used bright turquoise and bright aqua green, and then like I said, golds from FX. All the other colors are all Liquitex. So when I started layering my paints, I started with the darkest colors to the back and then go from darkest to lightest. The reason why I do this is because I actually like to see the contrast between the layers. And so for example, that particular gold that I'm using, it's going to sit on top, yes, but at the same time it's more translucent than all the other colors, and so there are going to be some areas of the canvas that you'll be able to see through it, and so you'll be able to see all those different dimensions bringing from those layers of paints. I've also tried the reverse and use maybe some of the lighter colors in the background kind of thing, and sometimes unfortunately those darker colors take over, and so for me that's why I like going darkest to light. That way I can ensure that every single color that I layer down, it's actually going to be seen, not just absorbed by the black color or whatever dark color I'm using at that particular moment. As you see here, I decided to blow backwards first and then forwards. That way I can at least ensure that my corners would be taken care of. I am going to do the same procedure on the other side, and then after that I will reevaluate, assess, and then determine whether or not another layer or another feather is needed or anything like that. If you've made it this far into the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and definitely leave me a comment in the section below and let me know what you think about this piece. So at this point I decided to add an additional layer on that corner since I had enough space, and I changed the camera angle so that you guys can get a better view of how it looks a little bit closer up. So after a couple of tweaks, here is our final piece. This piece came out so good. It is unreal. You have the translucent colors in there. You have these cells. You have the very nice flowy type feathers. I mean, it is just stunning. And I can't be any more proud of how far my journey has been, if you will. I can't wait to see how it dries though, because my biggest fear is that that Payne's gray is going to be too dark, but I definitely look forward to seeing the final dry results for sure. With all of that being said, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching and joining me on this art journey of mine. If you don't already, go ahead and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and definitely subscribe to my channel, as I would love to continue on making great content for you all. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!